Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will discuss about unable to activate touch on this iPhone. Guys, if you are facing this problem, please watch this video till end. First of all, open setting application. You can see appears on screen, and here simply scroll down and find out accessibility. Tap on it, accessibility, and here scroll down and tap on home button. You can see this now. Simply turn on reset finger to open finger and option. Go back re again and find out touch ID and passcode. Here tap on it, and guys, here enter your mobile passcode. Now wait for few seconds. Guys, turn off these option first. Turn off from here, and guys, go back. Guys, second last method, sign out your Apple ID. I hope your problem will be solved after your sign out your Apple ID. And guys, simply tap on sign out. You can sign out from here. I simply go back, and last method is uh, restart your iPhone, and I have iPhone 7, and you can sign out with a sleep button and volume down button, and press both buttons for 10 to 20 seconds. You can see, and wait for a few seconds, and you can see my iPhone is restarted successfully. And enter your mobile passcode. Here you can see appears on screen, and here open setting and scroll down, enter touch ID and passcode. Here enter mobile passcode, and guys, turn on from here iPhone unlock iTunes and App Store. Enter your Apple ID password. I hope after this setting your problem will be solved. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.